Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Harrisburg floor plan. It's part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Harrisburg here gives you 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, a little over 1,800 square foot with the 2-car garage. Let's run inside here and take a look. So as we come into the Harrisburg, you've got this nice open space here with your kitchen tucked away directly on one side. And right here before the kitchen, you have your access to your 2-car garage, as well as your indoor laundry space with full-size washer and dryer. Got a nice corner pantry here in the kitchen. And then directly behind the kitchen here, this is where all of your guest bedrooms are. So back here towards the front of the home, this is your first guest bedroom here with the bifold closet setup. And then you have guest bedroom number 2, again with the bifold closet style. Right across from bedroom 2, you've got the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, as well as your combination tub and shower. And then you have the last guest bedroom right here as well, again with the bifold closets. Now coming past the kitchen here, you've got the nice great room space here leading out to your exterior living space and the master bedroom. So really nice size master here. And then you've got your master bath where you've got the dual sinks. You've got the standalone shower right here. You've got this huge walk-in closet right here. And then you've got your private enclosed water closet right here as well. All right, folks, so this is the Harrisburg. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can find us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.